My name is Brian Howe. I'm the Labeling Solution Specialist in the Chicago area for Weber Packaging. Today I want to give you some insight into some of the many options Weber can provide for labeling and coding cannabis and CBD products. This is a fairly new vertical market for us, and because of the many different ways to package cannabis products, we have come up with some unique solutions. Weber has a lot of experience finding the best ways for cannabis growers, packers, distributors, and co-packers to improve both their brand awareness and their packaging efficiency. One of the best things about working with Weber is that we can provide the complete solution for your cannabis labeling, including your printing of the labels, getting the labeling systems to fit your needs, and integrating a date code inkjet system into your labeler. So let's take a look at a couple of ways that can help you get your products noticed, as well as automate your labeling and coding applications. We've been working with a lot of growers and packagers lately, helping them overcome the challenges they see in the labeling process. Many of them are still hand applying their labels to their products because of the complexity of their labels and sometimes just a lack of knowledge about the automatic labeling solutions out there. One of the coolest systems that has gotten a lot of attention is the Pack Leader PL521 tube labeling system. The PL521 is an all-in-one high-speed labeler that takes a hopper loaded with orientated tubes or vials, dispenses them onto a spacing conveyor, and labels them using a wraparound labeling head. If you are still labeling doob tubes, like the one I'm holding here by hand, you can see the advantage of how this automating process can make your life a lot easier. The 521 wraps the labels evenly around the straight-walled or even a tampered walled container and is adjustable to fit most sizes. It's easy to use and can label up to 60 more pieces per minute. One of the advantages of the PL521 is that we can take the Weber MarcoPrint X2 coder to the labeling path, allowing you to imprint variable data on your label just before it's applied. You can print your lot code, date code, or other required info for a wide range of products using the same label. You can see an example of this in the upcoming video. If the PL521 is more than you need right now, we have a low-end solution that would fit any budget. The Bottlematic automatic labeler is a hand-loaded system which operates with a foot switch. You load the tube into the Bottle-matic, hit the switch, and it wraps a label around the tube. It's so simple to use, and once you master the loading process, you can label up to 20 to 30 pieces per minute. Plus, the labels are on straight. You can see that in an example in this upcoming video. Another area where cannabis packers are having issues is the labeling of bags or pouches for edibles or flower products. Again, more companies are applying the labels by hand, which is very labor intensive, not to mention not very accurate. Weber has been supplying the pack leader ELF20 flat top down labeling system to companies that need to add a front and or a back label to flat pouches and bags. The ELF20 can be hand-loaded or is best when combined with an optional automatic feeder that dispenses the bags one at a time and increases efficiency. This simple tabletop system can speed up your labeling with its easy-to-use setup and simple adjustments. If you need to label both sides of your pouch, say with the branding of a prime label on the front and instructions on the back, simply run the pouches twice through the ELF20. All you got to do is turn them over and you'll have two labels on one package. If you need to label round jars or bottles for your products, we have another low-cost tabletop labeling system that can help you automate your production. The Pack Leader ELF50 is made for labeling round, straight-wall bottles or jars, and it runs about 30 pieces per minute depending on the size of the label. This labeling system can be moved easily so you can set up exactly where you need it to be. It can be positioned on a tabletop or a bench or moved in line for automatic or semi-automatic applications. A convenience not found with heavier, more elaborate labeling systems. The ELF50's standard one-button Teach product feature sensors can effortlessly adjust for various labeling applications. And with the manual position settings, your labels are placed accurately on the product each and every time. Thanks to the user-friendly operating interface, changing to different labels or applications for various product sizes and types can be done simply and quickly. The label application is just one part of the packaging process to consider. As you saw in the video, Weber can provide high-quality, eye-catching labels in quantities as low as 500 pieces. As one of the largest label printers in the world, we can help you pick the best label material to enhance your label design. We have been a trusted partner with many companies, helping them design and create unique labels that help their brand stand out from the crowd. As you can see here from some of the uniqueness of these products. As you see, there are many types of label materials available, such as metallics, estate papers, silver and clear films that can enhance the look of your label. When you add a gloss or textured varnish and or a laminate, now you have an exciting tactile finish that is more than just a simple label. You're creating a piece of art for your product. With our HP digital label presses, we can run short economical label runs for your seasonal and experimental brands. And if you need large quantities of labels, our Flexo solutions can offer big savings as well as outstanding quality. We're always looking for the cutting edge of label technology. If you talk to one of our label experts, they can tell you all about some of the new software enhancements that allow every label to be uniquely designed, and for special effects that create a three-dimensional label without thick layers. Remember, your label is the gateway to your product. Make sure you have the best quality label that reflects your brand. We can help you do that, and with new ideas and within economical prices. With the remaining time, we'd like to take a few minutes and answer some frequently asked questions. The first one is, do you have a way to wrap a label around the end of a package and make it tamper evident and seal it? Yes, of course we do. We can design a system depending on the shape and size of the container that you want wrapped. Usually the label is automatically applied and then a brush will wipe the label down the adjacent side to create a seal across the opening. Contact us at weberpackaging.com for more information. If you have any more additional questions, please reach out to us again at weberpackaging.com. We're here to help and look forward to partnering with you and your products in the future. Thank you.